Ever wondered how you can make money on TikTok without any computer skills? Believe it or not, it's entirely possible. This popular social media platform is a goldmine of opportunities, even for the tech-challenged. Stick around to find out how you can start earning money on TikTok today. Now, you must be thinking, how does this actually work, right? Well, it's easier than you might think. The journey to making money on TikTok can be broken down into 3 steps. First, you need to create an appealing profile. Think of it as your personal brand. What do you want to share with the world? Is it your love for cooking, your knack for comedy, or your unique fashion sense? Whatever it is, make sure it shines through your profile. Next, you'll need to build an audience. This is where your creativity comes into play. Engage your viewers with fun and authentic content. Remember, the more followers you gather, the higher your chances of earning. Finally, it's time to monetize your content. There are several ways to do this. One way is through brand partnerships. If companies like your content and your audience, they may pay you to promote their products. Another way is through live donations from your audience during your live streams. Lastly, you can apply for the TikTok Creator Fund. If accepted, TikTok will pay you based on your video views. And there you have it. 3 simple steps to making money on TikTok without any computer skills. Now, let's talk numbers. How much can you actually earn on TikTok? The answer varies greatly. It depends on your follower count, engagement rates, and the monetization methods you use. So, while there's no definitive answer, the potential for earnings on TikTok is substantial. So, are you ready to jump into the world of TikTok and start making money? Remember, it's simple. No computer skills required. Just create, share, and earn. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online. Start your TikTok journey today and see where it takes you.